name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. Hi, my name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, I consider my outfit to be an accessory and my handbag is the main event. Whether this is your first time clicking on one of my videos because this channel was recommended to you, or you're one of my returning fellow handbag addicts, subscribers, supporters, or friends around here, either way, I appreciate that you clicked this video from the bottom of my heart. As you saw the thumbnail inside this video, this is an unboxing of the Coach Outlet Haul Sling bag. And this is a bag from the men's collection. It isn't my bag, it's actually my wife's bag. And I asked her, could I do an unboxing on my channel of the bag before she looked at it and decided if she wanted to keep it or not. And the reason I'm sharing it is because a friend of mine asked me to share some suggestions or recommendations for handbags for men. She said that a lot of times she has friends or men that she's dating or whatever that are carrying a bag that she doesn't necessarily feel fits with their aesthetic or is in fashion, and she wanted some suggestions or recommendations. And it just so happened my wife saw this bag online and thought it might be cute and showed it to me. And I was like, well, when you get it, can I unbox it on my channel? Now, in one of my previous videos, you will have seen me share all of my wife's handbag collection. My wife is not a feminine girly girl. That's just not her vibe. And so a lot of the bags that she gravitates towards do come from the men's collection. Her collection is made up primarily or almost exclusively of Louis Vuitton and Gucci bags. And I shared those in another video. I've never seen her show an interest in Coach before, so I couldn't wait to share this bag with you all when it came in. So if you're man, boyfriend, husband, brother, loved one was looking for a bag, this may be one that they could be interested in. This is a really large bag, and I don't know that she realized that this bag was as big as it is, because my wife doesn't carry big bags. You'll see from that other video, she primarily carries bum bags and messenger bags, because she just doesn't carry a lot of stuff. It's in this olive green signature print, like a canvas material. Has all the Coach C's all over it. That is the side of the bag. That's the other side. And that's the bottom of the bag. This bag features gunmetal hardware, it looks like. One thing Coach does not scrimp on is factory wrapping. This is the inside of the bag. It's that olive green color, beautiful color. It has the Coach Creed story patch in it. It's got a zipper pocket on the back. That pocket is about the size of my cell phone, iPhone 15 Pro. I would think this is about the size of a cell phone. This is how it kind of shapes. It's a sling bag, so I think you wear it as a crossbody style bag. It also comes with a little small pouch that clips to the strap. I think you can put like AirPods or something in here. It has a web strap, olive green web strap that says Coach on it. Again, it has that gunmetal hardware, and it is removable as well as adjustable. I think you wear it crossbody. And it kind of slings down like this. This is a cute bag. Very cute bag. Very soft. It's a cute bag. Very, very cute. Again, the size, correct size is on the screen because it wasn't on the plastic. Did it have the right size on plastic? No, it didn't have the right size on plastic. So it's quite a big bag if you hold it this way, but when you let it sling down and kind of puddle, it gets a little softer. When she showed it to me, I told her it really put me in the mind of my Hobo Loop GM. So the female version of this I would think would be something like the Hobo Loop GM. See how these bags have a very similar silhouette, but both of them, when held by the strap, kind of puddle. This is very similar to me. The aesthetic is very similar to me, to the Hobo Loop GM. But I think it's a very nice bag. I like how soft it is. I mean, it folds almost flat. Let's see what fits. So we'll do a Coach pouch, toss that in there. And that is that Coach pouch. It's about the size of a Nolita, maybe a little bit smaller, but you see how much space we still have in there. We'll put a large zip wristlet in there, put a little mesh pouch in there. And that is all of those things inside the bag. And we're going to zip it closed. It has a double zipper. I didn't tell y'all about that. It has a double zipper. And that's those things in there. And that's kind of how it sits with everything inside of it. And that's it with the contents in it. It kind of hangs like that. I think it's a pretty cute, cute little bag. I think it's a cute little bag. That's cute. I think it's cute. Very soft. Like I said, it's a canvasy material, so it's very soft. Doesn't feel heavy in there. Got my stuff inside. Doesn't feel heavy in there. Very soft. Has a double zipper. Gunmetal hardware. I've shown you a tour of the bag. It does come with this extra little pouch here in that same canvas material. And this is that Coach olive green color. So anyway, if your husband or you're looking for a bag to purchase for your guy and you're wanting to know what Coach has to offer for that, this little sling bag may be a good bag, I would think, for travel. If you're going out of town and they need something to carry on the plane to put their phone in and their chargers and stuff, and to carry like a personal item, this could be super cute for that. This could be good for an everyday bag, actually, to go to work. Nice width to it. That's all of my contents right there because of the shape of the bag. But this would definitely be, to me, a male version of the Hobo Loop GM, if you have the Hobo Loop GM from Louis Vuitton. Anyway, drop down in the comment section and tell me if this is a bag that you ladies have in your collection, if this is a bag that one of your guy friends or someone that you love has in their collection, or if you've ever considered this bag. And the only other thing that I ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.